Clausen's bread is like music to my ears.
What are the symbols for?
This is a very symbolic commercial.
What you eating?
A sandwich made with Clausen's bread. Want a bite?
Sure.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Let's play a game. Look at where we are.
It's the season of lights, when people celebrate different holidays, like Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and do you know another holiday celebrated this time of year? Yay, that's right, Christmas. I celebrate Christmas. It's my favorite holiday, and it's almost here. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes.
But I told you to stop.